Namaste. I, Chetna, the literary captain of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 11th February 2022. First of all, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher, Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam, to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078 शक संवत 1943 आज माघ माह के शुक्ल पक्ष की दशमी तिथि है। आज का नक्षत्र मृगशिरा, आज का योग वैधृति है। प्रविष्टि की बात करें तो आज माघ माह के 29 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह रजब की आज 9वीं तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I request you all to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes be ready for prayer.
जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जय वीरेश्वर जय शिव शंकर जय 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 महाराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। तमनाशक जड़ चित जगावत चेतन सकल समाज। कमनाशत जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल, मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल, मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। त्रिभुवन के सरताज, मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। त्रिभुवन के सरताज, सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु, सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु। चित में करो विराज, जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज।
अस्तो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम। Be ready for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Now it's time to chant shlokas from Srimad Bhagwat Geeta, which you can see on your screen. So I request you all to listen carefully and speak together with our Sanskrit teacher.
मत्तः परतरं नान्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय। मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव। तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु मामनुस्मरयुध्य च। मयि अर्पितमनो बुद्धिर्मामे वैश्यस्य संशयम्। मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरम्। हेतूनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्विपरिवर्तते।
Now I would like to invite Hima Bindu of class +2 Commerce to share a motivational story with us. Namaste Hima.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear fellow friends. Today I am here to narrate a story, Friend of God. So let's start. A child was selling flowers on the street barefoot in the scorching heat. In this scorching heat, he was having a hard time getting his feet on the ground barefoot. Even in such a situation, people were buzzing while buying flowers from this child. But today, a strange thing happened to this innocent child. Today, when he came to sell flowers on the street, it was impossible to set foot on the ground because of the scorching heat. Seeing the suffering of this child, a God fearing person took pity on this child and he bought new shoes from the nearby bazaar. While giving them to this child, said, "Take these shoes, son." The boy immediately took his shoes out of the box and quickly put them on. His face shone with happiness. He turned to the man and took his hand and asked, "Are you God?" Terrified, the man held out his hand and grabbed his ear and said, "No, I am not a god, and no human being is God. God is the only one from whom we give whatever we ask for." The boy smiled and said, "Then you must be a friend of God, because last night I was groaning from the pain in my legs and praying to God. Or may God arrange a pair of shoes for me so that I can escape the scorching sun. I can put my feet comfortably on the hot road." The man smiled and lovingly kissed the baby's forehead and headed home. So, the moral of the story is we should try to help others in every possible way. Don't know when we became friend of God.
Thank you, Hima. Today is International Day of Women and Girls in Science. For this, I would like to invite Balpreet of class 10th A to aware us more about it. Namaste, Balpreet.
Namaste, my name is Balpreet, a student of class 10th A of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today, I am going to tell you about International Day of Women and Girls in Science. Today, in order to achieve full and equal access to and participation in science for women and girls, and further achieve gender equality and the empowerment of women and girls, the United Nations General Assembly declared 11th February as the International Day of Women and Girl in Science in 2015. The 7th International Day of Women and Girl in Science with the theme Equity, Diversity and Illusion. Water unites us. Science and gender equality are both vital for the achievement of the internationally agreed development goals, including the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Over the past decades, the global community has made a lot of efforts in inspiring the engaging women and girl in science. Yet women and girls continue to be excluded from participating fully in science. Overall, female researchers tend to have shorter, less well paid careers. Their work is underrepresented in high profile journals and they are often passed over for promotion. Women are typically given smaller research grants and their male colleagues, and while they represent only one third of the researchers, only 12% of members of national science academies are women. This day is a reminder that women and girls play a critical role in science and technology communities and their participation should be strengthened. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Balpreet. Now, I would like to invite Priyansh Kumar of 6th A to share a motivational thought of Swami Vivekananda. Namaste, Priyansh.
Namaste. I am Priyansh of class 6th. I am here to share a motivational thought of Swami Vivekananda. Strength is life, weakness is death. I repeat, strength is life, weakness is death. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Priyansh. Now it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Prachi Kumari of class 9th B, Faiz Ahmed Safi of class 6th B, and Arshpreet Singh of class plus 1 Commerce. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Thank you all for showering your blessings. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.